guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, well this morning, which is Thursday, I will be making some bacon, egg, and cheese wraps. So here is my bacon, and that's my pan. Let me go ahead and set this to 400. And let that preheat. Now we're just gonna cut this open and put it in this pan here. Because this is the part that's gonna take the longest, so we're just gonna cut this down the middle. Okay. This is the only part I really hate, because it's like, I don't know why I hate this part, but, oh yes I do, because it feels disgusting. But the end result is, it tastes so good. I know y'all really can't see me, but it is what it is. Y'all can definitely hear me though. So we're just going to place this bacon in this pan, put it in the oven, and let it bake for like, bake and cook at the same time for like 30 minutes. So by that time, it's probably like 5:15 in the morning. And it's like almost 4:45. So let me get this a little faster in this pan so we're not gonna take all day, because this is the part that takes the longest. And like y'all seen in the previous video, that I hate making bacon on the stove, because this grease you gotta clean up. And this is like a set it and forget it type thing. But yeah, let's just get this bacon in there so it can start cooking. And good, because I can put it in now, and it'll cook as it's heating up at the same time. Yeah. Hallelujah. 3 more pieces. About to make it fit where it fits. Because it's going to shrink anyway as it cooks. So, that's the good part. There's the bacon. And I always cut it to make it fit and stretch. That's nice and getting nice and hot. Basically, I will see y'all basically when it's time to make the eggs, because yeah, that bacon's gonna take a while. So stay tuned for more. Just about to be a quick and easy breakfast cooking video, if that makes any sense. But anyways, stay tuned. Okay, the bacon is done and it's cooked to perfection. Now we're going to turn this timer off, and then we're going to get our pan ready for making the eggs. And then we also have to get a pan to lay these wraps on. So I think what I'm gonna do first is get the tortillas, and we're going to place them up there. Okay. Oh, okay. And these is basically just, you know, the taco, soft taco shells. And we're just gonna lay theirs up there. Put up the bacon. 2 pieces of bacon per wrap. Now let me move this so y'all can actually see. Whew. The bacon is hot. And get a fork. Alright, so we got 4. We're just going to do 4 at a time to make space. I mean, this oven is hot, but we're going to have to put this here for the time being. We'll open a little bit. Then, let me get my pan ready to do the eggs. Oh yeah, and I gotta get out the cheese. Alright. There's the trusty pan. My trusty pan. This is garbage. Let's move it back so y'all can see me when I do these eggs. Alright. I'm gonna use a measuring cup to put the eggs in. Close that up. I think I need like 3 eggs. Cheese. And butter. So, got some butter, got the cheese, and our 3 eggs. Now I'm gonna crack these and then it'll be on to doing this to that and then we'll be done. Stay tuned. Okay, I done cracked the eggs. Now I'm about to just add in some pepper. Just a little, because a little goes a long way. I remember last time I added a lot of pepper and those eggs came out disgusting. Alright, let me turn on this fire. Put it on a medium low. We're just going to take this spoon. think I want to go ahead and put the cheese on. Sometimes I hate when cheese takes forever. Alright, so we have intentionally, alright, 3 pieces of cheese that's going to get cut in half. Right down the middle. Alright, those is ready. Then we can add in our eggs. Good morning. Alright. Eggs are done. Oops, that was a lot, but we're about to let it cook like this and then break it in half, if that makes any sense. Because look at this, this is a lot. I mean, can't I see it? Look at all the egg. Like, yeah, that joint is a lot. Let me put a little bit of butter so it doesn't stick. Put it on medium. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it don't. Let's see, do I need a spatula to ensure that no eggs get stuck? Oh, come on. Alright, we're making some progress. Yeah, this is enough for 2. Everybody got to use this spatula here. Alright, we got 1. And then we got the other. I don't know, for some reason I like to fry them on both sides. So that way, you know that they're done. 1, 2. Now that we got those done, hot and ready. Take it and just press down on the other side to warm it. See? Look at all that goodness. Yes. Alright, let me go ahead and add this. Alright. I'm gonna put this back on the low. Add in our butter. This should be enough. Get it nice and saturated, so we don't need what would happen to happen again. Let's take this fork out. We're done. That should be a good sized egg. Gotta use some more of this butter. Or just turn that upside down. You know what? Let's put this all in there. Got our spatula. Yeah, this is more like it. More like it, more like it. Right. Okay, guys, so here we have our bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast wraps. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell that way you be notified when I post. And until next time, we out of here. Peace.